Are you the owner of a commercial cleaning company, a restaurant, an Airbnb, or a medical facility? Do you have a cleaning role that you're constantly hiring and training staff for repeatedly? Well, don't worry. We've created a step-by-step cleaning guide for your cleaners. That's right. This guide gives detailed descriptions on how to clean your facility. So it takes you out of the cleaning process and the equation while giving you more time to grow and scale your business. Let us help you put your business on autopilot. What do I mean by that? You want your business to function when you're not there. Have you ever asked yourself, will my business continue to function if I'm not around? You want your business to continue when you're not in the equation. What do I mean by that? Autopilot. Create systems and protocols for your staff members to follow. These protocols will alleviate you from being involved in all of the day-to-day operations. Are you ready to grow and scale your business? Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Want to learn more about our course and what it has to offer? Visit our website, fluxcommercialcleaningservice.com, and schedule a pre-screening call. Let's see if you're a good fit for our online course.